Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the BigJoke DOS virus. And like the name suggests, it's pretty much a big joke. It doesn't overwrite files or format the drive or corrupt your data. It just pops up a message with a 1 in 15 probability. So let's go ahead and run it. So we see this was a sacrificial.com goat file written by some security researcher, which the virus has now infected. We look at the file, we can see its total size is 2092 bytes. So we should see a file size increase a little smaller than that when COM files are infected. So let's take a look at graphics.com. So of course, as always, 19,742 bytes. And when we run it and check the file size again, nothing changed. That's because BigJoke is not a direct action infector. That means it doesn't wait for you to manipulate the file or open it or see it in a directory listing. It actually picks one random COM file in the directory every time an infected file is run and infects that one. So what we're going to do is just run BigJoke a lot until we see graphics.com get infected. So let's keep running it. So you hear the hard drive a little bit every time you run it. That's another file getting infected. So now let's see. So there we go. Graphics.com has increased in size to 20,810 bytes. You might recall earlier I mentioned that there's a 1 in 15 probability of it activating. That's because it activates within the first 4 seconds of any minute. So let us set the time and quickly run graphics once again. So we'll say it's 5.18.00.00A and graphics. Go. There we go, at last alive. I guess your computer is infected by the BigJoke virus. Release April 4th, 91. Lucky you, this is the kind version. Be more careful while duplicating in the future. The BigJoke virus killer version will strike harder. The BigJoke rules forever. And then it just kind of repeats through that. It's a pretty neat message. When you see this, your computer is locked up. You can see it doesn't like me hitting the keys, and it will just keep displaying the BigJoke message forever. So since we're stuck here, the only thing we can really do is Control-Alt-Delete to reset. And we will see our computer come back up just fine. So there you have it. We can completely use our computer just fine. Nothing's broken, just files are getting infected. Like sys.com is usually under 10,000 bytes, so sys has also been infected. And let's just go ahead and see it one more time, why not? So it might get pretty annoying that every time you try to run a file on your computer, you don't know if it's going to display this or not, because if you didn't know that this happens during the first 4 seconds of any minute, you'd just find this happening randomly. So it's a neat, slightly animated little text payload. I thought it was cool, and just wanted to make a quick video about it. So that is about it for the BigJoke DOS virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.